Today we're making no oven pancake. This easy recipe makes pancakes that are light and fluffy and only calls for a few simple ingredients you probably have in your kitchen. Take a bowl and add 100 grams of buttermilk in it. Now add 40 grams of butter and 1 egg in it. Mix it well with the help of a whisk. Take another bowl and add 3/4 cup of flour in it. Add 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt in it. Now add 40 grams sugar in it and mix all the dry ingredients. Now add prepared liquid mixture in dry ingredients. Mix it well with the spoon. Now turn on the flame and cook this paste in a nonstick pan for 12 to 13 minutes over low flame. Delicious fluffy pancake is ready to eat. Share and watch this space for more easy and quick recipes. Enjoy!